Were you? Wait, are you recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording now, so don't say anything inappropriate.
Okay, and I'm really prepared for this lesson.
I can't do this with
Okay, dude.
Why not?
freaking loud blender.
Doesn't matter. It's just math. I mean, this is the best class in the world.
How's Rexburg treating you?
Dude, it is sunny and happy.
Sunny and happy.
Yes.
Freaking cold.
And cold. But that's Rexburg, so you learn to live with it.
Absolutely.
Chris,
That's right, dude.
I
It's
see you
like,
make a
it's like 85 in LA right now.
You know what? That's awesome.
No. That means it just keeps getting hotter and hotter.
That is true. Dude, do we have air conditioning here? Because if not, summer's gonna suck.
Are you staying there over the summer?
Yeah. I got a job.
Where are you working at?
I'm a janitor at the junior high school.
Freak, yeah.
Right?
Have
To
you ever
make it
seen
sound cool. So what do we say we are? We are the caretakers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when ladies ask, what do you take care of? You wink and you say, take care of you.
He is at a junior high, though. He needs to be careful who he says that to.
There's a couple single teachers, you know.
Okay. As long as they're older than 12, I'm okay with you saying.
Okay, so number 3. Oh, great. I already hate this. So we have paired data
Okay.
computes that our difference is 2.2 with a standard deviation of 3.3. What is our test statistic? Awesome.
This is value of that test statistic, okay. Now this is, dude, like, this kind of goes back to, like, last lesson, right?
I think so. But the fun thing with this lesson is the way they taught you how to do everything was on Excel with a bunch of data. Yeah, this one doesn't have a bunch of data with anything. So this is gay.
Dude, I emailed him about that quiz, because I got a freaking D- on the homework, too.
Oh, yeah?
And I seriously felt like the last 5 questions needed a spreadsheet that I didn't have.
Yeah, man.
And I was like, freak, what did I do? Because you didn't do very good on that one either, did you?
I got a D.
That one sucked.
Hey,
Hey, what are you
straight A
laughing
student.
at?
Love it.
Don't laugh at school janitors like that, dang it.
He is a school janitor. He's at the high school.
Oh, okay. Dude, he's your superior.
What?
No, he's not. He's a freshman. I'm a sophomore.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I outrank you.
I outrank you in the school district.
We don't work for the same people except for Nancy.
So,
At least Nancy knows who you are. She still doesn't know who I am.
there you go.
Hey, let's remember that both of you are still janitors. There's no room to pull rank.
Caretakers. Caretakers.
That makes us feel like we're taking care of dead people, though. Like. Anyways, I'm looking up this thing.
I am too. Dude, I am.
Okay, so I say what we do is we use that one formula where we just
Okay.
take 2.2, alright, divided by our 3.3 over square root of 9, which is 3.
Okay, so 2.2.
Alright, you ready for this?
How loud is it? Should I go on the other end? Just a second.
Yeah, you should probably go on the other.
I forget how loud your plunger is.
You get 2. Hey, did you get 2 for your answer?
I haven't done it yet. Just a second.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're moving.
Alright. Here we go. I'm looking up the test statistic thing real quick, just to make sure.
Probably a smart idea.
So we're going to take the 2.2 over. Okay, yep, exactly what I thought we were doing. I feel intelligent. Okay, calculator, come on. 2.2 divided by 1.1. I got 2.
That's what I got. Okay, so the value of the test statistic is 2, right?
Yeah. Use
Probability of
the.
being greater.
Okay. So
And then
2.
the p-value.
So this is where we do 2.2 minus 2 divided by 1.1. What? Use alternative to determine p-value for this test.
You get 0.18.
Yeah. And then we have to put that into the applet thing.
Dude, I hate the applet. I won't do it.
I wonder how many other people say that in these YouTube videos and what the teacher thinks every time.
Yeah.
He's
Probably
probably like, this is a great tool. You guys should love it. Which is probably true because we don't have to do it by hand, so.
Don't side with him, dude.
I'm trying to be on the YouTube videos that he watches.
I know.
The probability that it's greater is 0.4, 0.88, no, 0.5. divided by 2.
0.428.
So 0.428?
Yeah, 0.428.
Yeah. Let's hope that that is correct.
That is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's see here. Now I need to open up the other thing.
Hey, now on something like number 5, do you find the sample mean of group 1 or do you find the sample mean of group 2?
You do
Or
it
of
with
all of
both. There's an Excel sheet that does it all for you. It's called Quantitative Inference Procedures.
Okay, I remember that one.
I'll send you a link in the chat.
I love when you do that.
Right? Paste.
Yeah, that's back in like lesson 8, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that. So I just sent it to you.
Do you just have it saved? I mean, do you just save it on your desktop or something?
No, I always do it the long way and have to go back to that lesson and open it up.
Okay.
And then on that sheet there is a what do you call them? A worksheet called Paired sample t-test.
Sorry, dude, my computer's being slow.
No worries. Dude. I love you.
Let me know.
Delicious. Love me my shakes.
Did you send it to my BYU?
No, I sent it in the chat, in our chat on the thing we're on right now.
Oh,
To the
see,
right of the
that's a
thing.
smart thing to
Yep.
do, right? Wait, dude, what did I do to it?
It tastes delicious. Just because you're a banana hater. Chris, I think it's lovely.
Dang it, dude, where is it?
What? It's the quantitative.
Can't find it.
You can't find it. No, okay, let me check out. Ah, Chris, I hate you. Stop. Chris, I'm gonna freaking. Freaking douchebag. Anyways. You almost closed out of my stuff.
I know, I was going for it.
Do an assignment, man. That you can't restart.
Oh, that was amazing.
I take it back.
Oh, dude, I found it.
But this shake is still amazing.
He made you a shake?
Yeah, man. This is like the one month he's home because we're both sick.
That's not good.
Nope. It's whatever, though. I didn't have to go to work, so it's okay.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I found it. It's loading.
Been watching Hulu all day.
Oh, what are you watching?
I was watching the 40th anniversary of SNL.
Nice. I haven't seen any of that yet.
It's pretty good.
Me and my wife have gotten really big into, maybe you watched Blacklist?
No, I haven't.
It's good.
Is it addictive?
It is, but luckily it's only like through one season, and so you have to like wait for every week. You only get one episode, so it's kind of nice.
Gotcha. What did I just finished Community. Before that was Parks and Rec. Before that was Psych. I don't even know. I'm a binge watcher, man. I watch too much TV.
No. I love Parks and Rec, dude.
Oh, Parks and Rec is a genius.
So funny.
Did you figure out the thing?
Yeah, so you put the one in variable 2, right?
So group 1 goes in variable 1, group 2 goes in variable 2.
That is extremely convenient.
You're just copying and pasting that in there, right? You're not just typing in the numbers separately?
Yeah, okay. Got it, yeah. And so D is, did you get 37.99?
Nope, I got 31.025.
Where's that number at?
That's under mean difference. So are you're in the paired sample t-test?
Yeah, two sample?
No, paired sample.
Oh, dude, freak, I'm sorry.
No worries.
Okay.
Is there any more?
And so you got 31.025?
Yeah. Our SD is 341.157.
Is on the meniscus.
It is
Okay.
nice.
Just
I love it. Mm.
Dude, what kind of shake is that?
Banana strawberry chocolate.
Oh, I hate him for that.
I love him.
I want one.
Dude, come on over. It's only, what, an 18-hour
Okay.
drive?
What do you need 18 hours for what?
I said, come on over. You can have one.
Oh. No, that's the worst drive on the planet. Okay, so the test statistic is what numbers do you do to use that?
It's .407. They give you the test statistic. It's the T.
Oh, that's extremely nice.
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, and then the p-value, they give that to you. Wow, what a
Yeah.
blessing.
689. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? Well, do we have a rejection of something? 0.1. Probability is we do not reject. Fail to reject.
Fail to reject. Okay, 10, the correct on this evidence.
So that means that we reject that.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
we pretty much do the same thing for.
So if UD is greater than 0, let me check. Yeah, we still reject. Okay. No, still failed to reject. Sorry.
Both of them?
Yeah. So how I figured that out is I just went over to the Excel, and there's the type of test, and so our last one was not equal to, and then this one it's asking if the
Oh.
mean D is greater than, so you just change it to greater than. And then you look at the p-value changes, but it's 0.3, still greater than 0.1.
Okay, I got you. Okay, and so for number 11, do you use a paired sample test again?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the fun part with the homework. It'll ask you, what should you use for this, a paired or a two-tailed or
I'm
a
sorry.
one
I'm
sample
sorry,
test? So on the homework,
what's that?
it'll give you a
Okay.
scenario. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I don't know why it's cutting out so much. Okay, there you go.
Okay. So on the homework, there'll be it'll give you scenarios and it'll ask you which will be best if it's a paired, if it's a one sample test or a two sample test. And if you do the reading, it'll explain to you that a paired sample test is where you use the same population twice, just with two different tests. So an example would be if what was the examples they gave? They gave an example of let me see here. I have it up. They gave an example of doing a weight loss study. So they took 27 women, and so they gave them a pre-test to see how much they weighed, and then after they did this weight loss program, a post-test to see how much they weighed. And so they used the same population for those two, for a pre-test and a post-test. And so that's really how you decide if you're going to use their data.
If they use a pre-test or a post-test?
Yeah. Because like on the homework, there's one of them that asked about pregnancy, and I'm pretty sure I got that question right. But you can't use the same group because you'd have to make them go get pregnant again, and it wouldn't make sense. So it was like
Okay.
one sample test instead of a paired.
Okay.
If you do the reading, it'll make sense.
Yeah, I should probably do that, huh?
Oh. Always the N. 11. Which is greater, N or DF? It's always N. Because DF equals N minus 1.
Wait, so which is greater? N equals...
Because
okay.
DF is N minus 1.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, perfect.
Your alternative hypothesis is, and use this, what is the p-value? 0.001. Reject the null.
When you did, on number 12, did you go up and switch your confidence level to 0.99?
Oh, is that what we're supposed to have?
I don't know. It didn't do anything.
No, I kept it at 0.95. Usually that's what they always ask us to do it in. They didn't give us a confidence interval in this.
5?
Yeah, I do 0.95.
So did you get your p-value? You got 0.001?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then reject?
Yep.
No, fail to reject.
No, reject.
No, you reject.
If it's low, you reject.
P-value is low, reject the null. Okay.
So now we're doing
You decide to try another. Greater than.
And you keep the level of
The p-value.
The p-value.
The p-value decreases.
Yeah. And so you still
and so
reject.
You still. Okay, perfect.
Setting aside the data in the problem, do you think a general rule can be made? Which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? From both of them, didn't the p-value got slower if we did UD was greater than 0?
Yeah. So UD greater than 0?
Yeah. Moment of truth. Are we failures? Nope, we are B plusers. What?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Crap.
We got the last one wrong, and we got number 4 wrong. And I don't know how to do number 4 then, so I'll have to look that one up in the videos. I'm thinking number 16 is probably not enough information, depends on the problem.
That would have to be like the only scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, dude. Way to do work.
Hmm?
Way to do work.
Right?
Good work. All right.
Good job.
Okay, man. Well,